Welcome to today's vlog. We are in Sweden, and so we had to make a stop at the very first IKEA store here in Sweden. I am so excited to be here. It's the very first store that was ever built. I think there's also a museum and there's a restaurant and there's an IKEA hotel. So there's a lot going on here, but since we were in Sweden, we knew we had to come check out and see what the very first IKEA store looks like. So come along with us. So starting off this incredible journey through IKEA, I just used the men's restroom on accident. So I need to maybe look a bit more carefully at the signs, but it's been a long trip. I'm a little confused, but we're gonna move on and check out this IKEA store. All right, so first things first is we're going to have to eat Swedish meatballs in Sweden. I'm gonna have to see if they're any different than when we get them in the IKEAs back home, but I'm pretty excited about this. We got our Swedish meatballs in Sweden. I'm so excited. It already looks better than where I've seen it other places. And we got some apple dessert. Looks extremely good. And everything was still really reasonably priced. So it's definitely a good meal. I think both two of these cost us like $17 US for 2 full meals, just as a double portion. And they have refillable soda machines. And we quickly realized that when it has a tag that says slut, it means it's out of order. So do not press it if it says slut. Fair warning. Okay, so now, all right. Silverware is magnetic. That's really good. Wow. I haven't had many Swedish meatballs, but these have to be, I'm sure they're the best. They're so good. In Sweden, we learned that the way you signal that you want more food is to cross your silverware. And if you're done eating, you lay it side by side, thus letting know people what you want to do. I think it's brilliant. So now I'm going to try the dessert. This looked really, really good. It's like an apple pie dessert, so. That's very good. Oh, the ice cream's like, almost like whipped cream. Okay, that's definitely not ice cream. It's like whipped cream, so it's good, it's just very creamy. But yeah, this is really good. So one thing that's interesting about this store is when you go to IKEA, you're used to seeing Swedish because everything has Swedish in it, but it always has English underneath. But here, there's absolutely like no English anywhere. I think I saw it one time, and that was to put our trays away. So they probably assumed we need to know that. But that's actually very interesting because I can't find a single English thing anywhere. So hopefully we won't get too lost in here. Oh, I love this watering can. That's so cool. I can't buy anything because our luggage is completely stuffed and full and we leave tomorrow. So I literally cannot buy anything, which makes it easier, but it also makes it to where I find tons of stuff that I want, so. Oh, artichokes. This is pretty. step into my dream office. I love this so much. Floors, bookshelves, coast of Sweden. It's beautiful. I'm obsessed with these floors. This rug with it. This is cute. I like this. Oh my. Oh, this is so cute. I should make these. This wallpaper, so dreamy. Ooh, I like the way this one feels. See, these are like the colors I like, more so than the brighter ones. So something like this looks really nice. It's very white and open. It's very clean looking, but it just seems kind of bare to me, like there's not much personality to it. I really like when we've got colors like this going on. Okay, the rug, the storage, the colors are so moody and beautiful. This one's maybe a little too dark for me, but I love how it looks. So this room's a little interesting. It's kind of like a jungle. We've got a panda hanging out back here, and then we've got a tiger hanging out over here. Got like this jungle vibe. Oh, there's a monkey. I swear. It's interesting how they make up the beds here, because this is how it is in our hotel. It's like a full bed, but they have it divided into like two twins that are connected, but it's kind of like two separate beds. And that's how all these are. Maybe other people do that, but I feel like I've only seen that here. Bathrooms here always seem to stay at the same elevation as the shower. So it's like the same. Walking through here, I've already taken so many photos on my phone of just colors and decor ideas, and this place really encourages you to just kind of dream of what you could do. I mean, look at this. That's so cute. So many ideas. I don't know if you struggle with that. You have so many ideas in your head that you kind of paralyzes you from ever doing anything, but when we get back home, I'm gonna start. All right, so we just made it halfway through, AKA the fun half of IKEA, and it has all the showrooms and all the cute ways to decorate. But now we're gonna head downstairs to the other half and we'll see how that compares to America. They have tomato plants here. They're so cute. And peppers, look at these peppers. Oh my goodness. They look absolutely incredible. And I think these are little lime trees. Oh. So just for reference, this is exactly how many meatballs Jeff ate for lunch today. Just thought you should know. I love this design so much. It's so beautiful. I've been seeing it on everything here. It's like a green, which would go perfect in our house. So here's my area. Coffee and tea. Tea balls, little espresso cups. These are welcome mats for the indecisive person. So, there you go. I want to get something like this for our bathtub. Now, this is a bathtub. Wow. I love it. So this bottom floor is something that I really haven't seen, even at the one in Denver at least. But they have this huge outdoor section where it's a huge mix of both fake plants and real plants. And so it's really neat because it can give you ideas. It feels kind of like a bit of a Lowe's, but it feels kind of like a Lowe's or a Home Depot, but with a much prettier IKEA-esque aesthetic to it. This is cool. It's like a braid. We made it through the first IKEA in Sweden. It was definitely very fun. It was very relaxing, very similar to the ones we've been to in America, but also quite a few differences. So that was really interesting. Gave me a lot of ideas for decorating our home, so I'm really excited to get back. I've been taking pictures of so many things. And we got some chocolate ice cream, and we're gonna just grab some coffee and get back on the road, head back to our hotel because we are flying home tomorrow. I'm so excited, but if you're ever in the area, highly recommend checking out the very first IKEA in Sweden.